Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to get logarithmic chart on TradingView. Firstly, press the Alt plus L hotkey. Go to the bottom right corner of the chart near the time frames and auto scale. Click on log button to turn it on or off. Now hover the price scale right side of the chart and right click and make sure log scale is checked. If you want to customize the scale, click and drag the price scale up or down to compress or stretch it, whether you're in log or linear model. Let me know if you need more help setting up a custom view or saving your chart layout. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.